Alright guys, what's going on? It's Curtis, also known as the Invested Millennial here, and today we're going to be talking to you about a new company that recently surfaced in the foreign exchange education market, and that company is called Tradera. So that's what the topic of the video is. So we're just going to get right into the facts about this company and the services and the elements that they provide along with the becoming a member. So about the company, it was officially founded in 2019. It's based out of the United States and it's a financial services platform, and the company is 100% debt free, which is always great to see when you're looking to join a new service. Now, the company is also industry leading company in two aspects, and that's the foreign exchange market as well as the network marketing industry. Now, for those who know, network marketing is probably one of the most diversified business models you can join. It has created the most millionaires in any other compared to any other business model. And the entire industry does $180 billion annually, and the foreign exchange market does $6 trillion a day. That's daily. So it's a huge market, and it's 100% volatile. Probably the most, it triumphs the stock market, so it's much, much larger than the stock market. And that's why the company has decided to teach people how to leverage the foreign exchange market to make a side income using their phone or their laptop. Now, a network marketing overview. There's over 10,000 companies just in the US alone with the network marketing compensation plan. It's a $180 billion yearly industry. There's 130 million people active in network marketing. It's endorsed by celebrities. It's a low-risk business model, and it's highly, highly lucrative. Now, the foreign exchange market, to sum it up, it's the currency. It's exchanging currency for currency. For example, if you're going I'm from Canada right now, so if I were to travel to the United States, I would need to change my Canadian dollars in exchange for American dollars, and at that I have to pay a price. So it would be the USD versus the CAD dollar, and that's essentially what currency trading is. So again, it's a $6 trillion daily volume industry. It's the most traded financial market in the entire world. It's the largest financial market in the world. Anybody can access it. It runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And believe it or not, if you have any money in your bank account, the banks and institutions, as well as individual large companies, they will use your money. They'll trade it on your behalf without you knowing to make a profit from it. Now, our basic goals with this company is to teach you when to buy, when to sell, and when to wait. The Tradera financial services include trading education, which is in the back office of the website. It provides many, many videos on what you need to know to trade the markets and make a profit. We offer trade alerts, which is like basically a text message or email coming directly to your phone, and our experts tell you when to buy and when to sell any currency pair and how to take profits, meaning they tell you how to make money with this service. You will not find that anywhere else in the entire world. We also offer live trading sessions every night, Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You can get onto the back office and you can trade with our live experts, and they will tell you when to buy, when to sell. We have market forecasts, which tells you what is expected to happen in the financial markets during the week. And then we also have a trade community where you can talk with other traders and other people within Tradera about whatever you so please. Now, we also offer trading education services, which include a 100% online trading education platform, comprehensive A through Z training, Forex basics all the way up to advanced, step-by-step trading strategies, and additional Forex resources. We also offer trade alert services, so we provide an opportunity for members to earn while they learn, with personal trade alerts sent out by experienced traders. Trade alerts are sent out to members in our community for them to simply copy and paste and profit. Our live session services are conducted by top traders, held every Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, catered to individual trading needs, and additional educational resource, recorded and stored in the community, so if you miss a day, you can always go back and watch and learn. Our market forecast services are posted by experienced traders every Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern, which is when the market opens. It breaks down major assets, offers trade opportunity insights, and additional education source. The Trade Community Service is networking with other traders, compare market viewpoints, ask additional questions. You're not alone in this, and it's also an additional education resource. Now again, this is a business opportunity, so there's two aspects of this company and you can do either or, both. You can do whichever you please, right? So there's the trade alerts where we send alerts to your phone for you to copy and paste and profit. And then there's the business opportunity where you can refer friends, and when you refer 3, you will get your membership for free, and any more after that, the company will actually pay you residual income. So you're building a network, you're building a business, you're making residual income, and then you get a free membership on top of all of that. There are 2 types of income, that's active and passive. So an active income is your 9-to-5 job, where you can see you have to go to work every day, you're stuck in traffic, you get tired of, you don't want to deal with it at 5 o'clock when it's time to go home, but it's there anyway. And then there's passive income, where you can make money online, and you can enjoy your life, and the money makes itself for you. Now this is our Tradera compensation plan. So as I mentioned, if you can see where it says founder, you get 3 personal referrals, and then your membership is free. Anything after that, you start to get paid. So if you have your 3 members, and that's all you need in this company, you need to refer 3 members, and that is it. When you have 3 members, if you refer a 4th one, it doesn't do any benefit for you. So, and when I say that, I mean if you refer them under your your referral link, you want to refer anybody after your 3 to somebody in your team, so that they can get their 3 for free, and so on and so on. And that's how you're going to build your team, and that's how you're going to make money in this company. So when you have 10 team members under your organization, the company is going to pay you $125 per week. So that's $500 per month. When you become a noble, that's 25 members in your team. They're going to pay you $250 per week, or $1,000 per month. When you become a bishop, at 75 team members in your team, they're going to pay you $500 a week, or $2,000 a month, and so on and so on. And you can go all the way up to legend, where they can pay you $100,000 a month when you have 5,000 people within your organization. You will not find that anywhere else. It is only in Tradera. No other company is offering this service. So if this is something that you want to be a part of, I suggest you get in right now. The sooner the better, because like I said, it's a spillover business. If you refer 3 members, that's all you need. Anything else is placed under you automatically. So the sooner you get in, the better, and the more you're going to profit in the long run. So again, this is just going over the 3 and free business strategy. That's the very first thing we're going to focus on, is getting you 3 members, so you never have to pay for your membership again. It's totally free, and then you can also use our services for free for the rest of your life. Why would you pass that up? How could you possibly pass something like that up? Okay. So here's the Tradera business resources. So we have a company website that we're going to offer you, the member community that you have access to. You can go to official live events. We have live presentations and multiple marketing tools for you to grow your business and your organization to start making money online. Finally, we have the Tradera service subscription options, where the client membership, it's $99 every 4 weeks. Guys, where are you going to find a business that you can run for $100 per month? And on top of that, when you get your 3 referrals, it's free for the rest of your life. You still get all of these services provided for free. So you get the trading education platform, receive live trade alerts, participate in live sessions, financial market forecasts, trade community access, and much more, all for free. Okay? Now the IBO membership, that's $15 every 4 weeks. You don't pay that until you have your 3 for free. So when you have your 3, you have the additional membership fee of $15 per month, which will also be free, but you get to build a business, you get the compensation plan, marketing tools, and the trade community access. You cannot go wrong with this. You cannot. When you become a member, I highly suggest you get your 3 for free and continue to work up the ranks. Now, in summary, what this company offers is for you to learn how to trade, earn while you learn, a business opportunity, and you get to join the movement. Tradera is so new, it's going to explode in the next 3, 4, 5 years. You want to get in today, right now, today. So if this is something you want, by all means, leave a comment, email me, do whatever you need to do to get my attention, and we will work together on this. I will get your 3 for free for you. That is my promise to you. I will get this for you so you don't have to pay anymore, and then you get access to everything included in this business. So that's it, guys. That's the Tradera presentation. I really appreciate you joining me today and hearing me out, learning about the services that we offer. So again, if it's something that interests you, get a hold of me, DM me, message me, email me, comment, do something. I'll reach out to you, and we'll get to work. All right? Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.